Welcome back, everyone. Still from Kenya, from Nairobi particularly. Well, today I can just briefly update you that COVID-19, unfortunately, has been raising up in terms of active numbers here in Kenya. Nevertheless, a sign of hope has been present, and remained in this case in front line to assist communities who are in very marginalized and neglected areas. Sign of Hope has been having two projects actually, health and nutrition projects in northeastern Kenya at the border with Ethiopia. We are talking about 1,000 kilometers far from Nairobi. So you can imagine how these areas are really, really remote, as I have already said. Particularly, these are also areas in so-called arid and semi-arid lands. So just to update, Sign of Hope has decided via its own staff being in the field to assist these people, these communities in awareness campaign, so just to make them aware of what we are talking about when we say that we need to prevent COVID-19 spread. And this has been done via radio broadcasting on one side, and on the other side also via distribution of so-called protective gears, so protective equipment like masks, by the way, as we all know, like gloves, which has been done particularly or delivered particularly to the health center, the health post, and the dispensary present in these locations. And on the other side also advertising about hygienic measures. We all know what it means to keep away, or at least to try to keep away the COVID-19 to spread. And in this case we have then delivered not only some hand wash facilities in terms of jerry cans, but also we have we have tracked water directly together with soap as well. We have been targeting something like roughly 40,000 beneficiaries all together. And we have involved, of course, community health volunteer, taking into consideration for sure all the measures, all the precautions that we know very well have to be taken into consideration to do this kind of job. These 40,000 roughly people we have been targeting are made, of course, as you can imagine, by women, children, elder people, generally all the community, of course, but we know that in this kind of area populated by mainly pastoralists, we are targeting people who are at very high risk to be left behind, unfortunately. Nevertheless, we are proud and happy of this, and I wish to give you more updates later on. Thank you.